Welcome back. In this report, we turn to the ongoing discussion about South Sudan planned general election, which are expected to take place after this year. According to this report, the election become one of the most talked about political issues in the country, while the government has continued preparing for the vote. Some political groups, civil society organizations, and individual commentators have raised concern about whether the country is fully ready for a credible election. One of the latest contributions to this debate is an opinion article written by a person called Sokiri Leponi. The article expressed strong criticism of the planned election and argued that South Sudan should not proceed with voting under the current condition. Well, it is important to know that the article reflects the view of its author. It is not an official government statement, nor does it necessarily represent the view of all South Sudanese citizens or political organizations. Let's take a closer look at the main argument presented in this article. Concern about the political environment. The author argued that free and fair election require more than simply setting a voting date. According to the article, a successful election depends on several important conditions. These include political stability, public trust, security, independent institutions, and equal opportunities for all political parties to campaign. The author believed that these conditions have not yet been fully achieved. Because of this, the article questioned whether the planned election can be considered free, fair, and credible. This concern has also been raised by some other observers in recent months. Although different organizations and political leaders have expressed different opinions about the country's readiness. Let's look at the importance of a democratic process. The opinion piece say that election should be the final stage of a long democratic process. According to the author, before citizen vote, there should already be strong institution, clear electoral law, political freedom, and confidence in the legal system. The article also discussed the constitution. The author argued that South Sudan should complete important constitutional reform before holding national election. According to this viewpoint, constitutional reform would provide a strong legal foundation for democratic governance. Other political leaders and legal experts have also spoken publicly about the importance of constitutional development, although they may disagree on the timing and the way forward. A large part of the article reviews South Sudan's political history. The author referred to different periods of conflict within the Sudan People Liberation Movement, commonly known as SPLM. According to the article, many disagreement inside the movement eventually developed into larger national crisis. The writer argued that these historical events continue to influence today's political situation. The article also mentioned period of army conflict that caused loss of life, displacement, and suffering for many families. These historical events remain painful memories for many South Sudanese communities. Although people often have different opinions about the causes of this conflict, there is a broad agreement that the country has paid a very heavy human cost over many years. Another major argument presented by the author is that political organizations should strengthen democratic practice within their own structures. According to the article, political reform inside parties can help improve national democratic institutions. The author believes that stronger internal dialogue, greater transparency, and peaceful decision making could contribute to national unity. Whether one agrees with this opinion or not, many political analysts around the world often point to strong institutions as an important part of democratic governance. One of the central questions raised in the article is whether South Sudan is fully prepared to organize peaceful national election or not. The author argued that security challenges, economic difficulties, and unresolved part of the peace agreement remain important issues. These concerns have also been discussed by several political actors during recent months. At the same time, government officials have repeatedly stated that preparations for election are continuing. Supporters of the electoral process argue that elections are an important step in moving the country toward constitutional governance. Critics, however, believe that additional reform should happen before citizens go to the poll. The differences of opinion continue to shape political discussion across the country. Why election matter? Regardless of political differences, elections play an important role in democratic society. They allow citizens to choose their leaders peacefully. They also provide an opportunity for different political parties to present their ideas and political and policies to voters. For election to build public confidence, many observers say several coordination are important. Well, these include security for voters and candidates, independent election management, equal political participation, respect for freedom of expression, peaceful campaigning, public confidence in the result. When these conditions exist, elections are more likely to be accepted by citizens. Why? When they do not exist, disagreement about the outcome may increase. South Sudan Revitalized Peace Agreement remain one of the country's most important political frameworks. The agreement includes several reforms that were designed to support peace and prepare the country for democratic election. These reforms include security arrangement, constitutional development, institutional reform, and other political commitment. Many international partners continue encouraging all parties to implement the agreement fully. Well, some political leaders believe more progress is still needed before election. Others believe that implementation and election can move forward together. This remains one of the country's major political debates. Let's look at the different view continue. As election preparation continue, South Sudanese citizens continue expressing different opinion. Some believe election should go ahead as planned. Others believe more time is needed to complete reform. Still, others focus on improving security, strengthening institutions, and creating greater public confidence before voting began. These different opinions are common in many countries preparing for important national election. Healthy public discussion, when conducted peacefully and respectfully, it can help citizens better understand different viewpoints. Well, if you are new to Changfied YouTube channel and this is your first time, I would like you to help the channel by subscribing, turn on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video, you can be notified. Thank you for watching and bye-bye.